Hi, now we are seeing a clock series. In this video, we are going to see how to find the exact time if the angle is given between the hands of the clock. Okay, so UPSC asks question from this type. Now see this exact time. So this is the formula. So you must memorize two formulas in this type, in this clock type. One is for angle. Angle formula already we have seen this. Angle is what? Modulus h into 30 minus 11 by 2 into m. So this is one formula. One more formula is this. Minute. Minute equal 2 by 11 h into 30 plus or minus angle. Okay. 2 by 11 h into 30 plus or minus angle. So note this formula. We are going to use this formula. How? No need to get this derivation. It's very lengthy and unnecessary for examination purpose. Just memorize it, because in area and volume we will memorize many formulas. Consider this one of the important formula and memorize it. Okay, so 2 by 11 h into 30 plus or minus angle. So same thing. H means hours, E means angles, M means minutes. Now the question is, see this question, 0 degree. At what time in minutes between 3 and 4 o'clock both the hands will coincide each other? What is coincide? Already we have discussed. Coincide means 0 degree. 0 degree. So they're asking at what time between 3 and 4 o'clock, 3 and 4 o'clock, the hands of the clock will be coincide. That is, there will be a 0 degree. Okay, consider like it will be like this. Approximately, I can say, I'm saying approximately it will be 316 or 370. I'm not sure. Approximately it will be 316 or 370. But we are going to find exact time. So this is the type. We are going to find the exact time. The degree is given. We are going to find the answer. Okay. See this. The formula is 1 minute equal to 2 by 11 h into 30 plus or minus angle. So angle they are giving, angle is what? Angle is 0 degree. Okay, now see this. Minute 2 by 11. What is h? The lowest interval between 3 and 4 o'clock means you want to take the lowest interval as the hours. Okay, between 3 to 4 means they will give only 1 hour interval. They won't give more than 1 hour. So in that 1 hour interval, the lowest interval is what? H. You want to take as h. So here lowest interval is 3. So 3 into 30. Even plus or minus 0, it won't make any changes. Minus 0 will be the same. Plus 0 also same. So we can ignore this part. So see this. 2 by 11, 90. 180 by 11. 180 by 11. So I make a mixed fraction. So 180 divided by 11. 1 time 11. Remainder is what? 70. 6 times 66. Remainder is 4. So how to do a mixed fraction? Here quotient remainder by divisor. So this is the mixed fraction. What is the quotient? 16. Remainder is 4. Divisor is 11. So actually this is the minutes. What I said, approximately 3 hours 16 minutes, but exactly it is what? 3 hours 16, 4 by 11 minutes. It will make a 0 degree. It will coincide each other. Okay, so we got the exact time. At what time between 3 and 4 o'clock the hands of the clock will coincide each other. Okay, so 3 hours 16, 4 by 11 minutes. Right? We will do one more question. Once again, I will say this here. Coincide means what? It's an angle. So this formula you must memorize it. And then h means what? The lowest interval. They will give only 1 hour interval. They won't give 2 hour or 3 hour or more than 1 hour. So you want to take the lowest interval as the hours. And plus or minus 0, this is won't make any changes, because plus 0 also same answer, minus 0 also same answer. So finally, what are you getting? You want to convert this into mixed fraction and then get the answers. Now, if it is 180 degree, how to find 180 degree means, if they ask question from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the right side of the clock, then you want to use minute minute equal to 2 by 11 h into 30 plus 180. Okay, in the right side of the clock you want to take plus formula. In left side of the clock, 2 by 11 h into 30 minus 180. Okay, you got it. So if they ask from 6 to 12, so this is for 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Between this two interval, if they ask any questions, you want to use the plus formula. From 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, in this interval, if they ask any question, you want to take minus formula. Okay, right side of the clock hour means you want to take plus formula, left side of the clock hour means you want to take the minus formula. I will explain how to do this question. See this, at what time in minutes between 7 and 8 o'clock both the hands have straight line, that is 180. They're asking 180 degree. 7 and 8 o'clock will be what? It will be represented here 7 and 8. So they are asking what? In the left side of the interval. So you want to use which formula? Minus formula. Okay, minus formula. So see this, minute equal to 2 by 11 h into 30 minus 180. 2 by 11. What is it? The lowest interval must be considered as the h value. 7 into 30 minus 180. 2 by 11. It's 210 minus 180. 11. It is 30. 60 by 11. What is it? You want to make it as a mixed fraction. 60, 11, 5 times 55. Remember is what? 5. So how to write this? 5 by 11 minutes. What is it? Between 7 and 8 o'clock. Between 7 and 8 o'clock, at what time the hands of the clock be at straight line? Now see this. It will be like this. Correct? Between 7 and 8 o'clock, at what time it will be a straight line? It is 7 hours 5 by 11 minutes. The hands of the clock will be a straight line. Okay, 7 5 by 11 minutes. The hands of the clock will be at straight line, that is 180 degree. Straight line is 0 degree or straight line 180 degree. So they will specify exactly whether you want to find 0 degree or 180 degree. Right? In third set, 90 degree. If they give 90 degree, you want to use both, because we said what? For every 1 hour there will be 290 degrees. They won't ask the exceptions. Okay, they won't ask the exception in times. They will ask only the exact times. Okay, so they won't ask exception, because I said what? Between 2 to 4 only 390 degrees are there. Between 8 to 10 there are 390 degrees are there. Okay, if you see the previous video you will get this answer. Between 2 to 4 we will be getting 390 degree. Between 8 to 10 390 degree. Remaining all other time 1 to 2 will be having how many 90 degree? 2. 4 to 5, 5 to 6, we will be having 290 degrees. For every 1 hour, there will be 290 degrees. Exception is this. So generally, they won't ask question from exceptions. So no need to worry about that. You see this? At what time in minutes? Between 5 and 6 o'clock, both hands will be right angle to each other. 5 and 6 o'clock. Okay. Both angle right angle to each other. So see this? I'm going to do an approximate answer. It will be like this. 5 around 10 it will be 190 degree. I'm saying approximately, and next 90 degree will be what? 5 around 40 approximately will be 90 degrees, but we are going to find the exact numbers. So two values are there. So 2 by 11 h into 30. You can use one minus formula and you can use one plus formula, because we are having two formulas, h into 30 plus n. 2 by 11, h means what? The lowest double is 5. 5 into 30 minus 90 degree. So they are asking 90 degree, 90. 2 by 11, 5 into 30 plus 90 degree. 150 minus 90 is what? 60. 60 into 2 is 120 by 11. 150 plus 90 is what? 240. 240 plus 4, 480 by 11. So if you make a mixed fraction, see this, 120 divided by 11, 1 time 11, remainder is 110, put a 0, okay, so we can write 10 by 11 minutes. Approximately I said what? 510, but actually answer is what? 5 hours, 10 by 11 minutes, there will be 190 degree. Here, 480 divided by 11, 4 times 44, remainder is 40, 3 times 33, remainder is 7. So I can say 43, 7 by 11 minutes. So it means what? It is not exactly 540, it is actually exactly it is what? 5 hours, 43 7 by 11 minutes. So these are the answers. Any doubt how to find? 1 second, we can recall it. 0 degree means only one answer will get. So plus or minus 0, no need to worry about that. 180 means again we will get only 180. Already we have discussed it. We will be having 0 degree. How many 0 degree in one day? It is 22 times. How many 180 degree? We will be getting only 22 times. How many 90 degree we will be getting in one day is what? 44 times. So we have discussed this in the previous video. Just look that videos. So again, for 180 you should not use both the plus or minus. For the right answer you want to use plus formula. For left answer you want to use minus formula. Okay. And 90 degree will be having 290 degrees exceptions. So leave the exception. No need to worry about the exceptions. UPSC or TNPSC or any other exam, they won't ask question from exceptions. Okay. Thank you. In the next video, we can discuss the question based on clocks gain, time gain, and time lost by the clock. That is faulty clocks. So we can discuss this in the next class. Okay. Thank you.